T-shirt. Been soaked in soda ash, spun to get the excess out of it. I'm going to do 2 spirals on this one. I tried the shirt. I like the way the shirt turned out. I mean the towel. I like the way the towel turned out. It's a little bit too dark for me though. I think the black was too absorbent into it. Good lesson though. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give the shirt a shot. And I think I'm going to ice dye this one. So I'm going to want 1 spiral, say start there. Oh, these are washable markers, by the way. And then 1 spiral to start there. I'm going to start with this one. I saw a lady, she actually used a fork. And she just starts twirling. And as she's twirling, she's trying to keep the folds kind of just going along. Now I think on my towel, I don't think I did the spiral tight enough. So I'm going to make sure this one is tighter. Now, rubber band it. I want to have 2 triangles that go into there. Okay, so that's going to be 1 color, there and there. And so then I want to draw another line. I want this to, how do I want this? Here, cleaning up the lines is the hardest part. Here. Okay, I want it to go through the center here. So, draw one like this. Yeah. So I'm going to draw one like that. And another one. I have a cheat sheet. Ha ha ha. Okay, so one that comes this way. One that comes this way. And one that intersects this way. And one that intersects this way. All right, so I need to get a different color of marker because I'm confusing myself. I'm gonna use green. Okay, so I've got my middle. I'm just gonna redraw these. There. I want one that goes this way and this way. Yeah. going to go this way. And then this way. There we go. All right, so it's gonna be a lot of color right there, huh? Well, we'll see what happens. See, this one doesn't have much color. I think I'm gonna move this one over. One in the middle. Here's my center. So yeah, so I do want it to go like that. And this one comes here. All right, we'll see what happens. No telling. Tighter over here. All right, I'm going to ice dye this one. This one's going to be ice dyed. The other one's going to be liquid. All right, I'm going to do it. Okay, so this one I'm going to do a ice dye. I've got navy blue, turquoise, lavender, ultraviolet, and then I wasn't sure about the fifth color. They used a chartreuse, which I don't have, which is kind of a yellow green, and I'm not sure how that would look with all this, so I'm going to actually mix amber waves and a little bit of daffodil for a little bit of a yellow, just to kind of make colors pop. We'll see what happens, okay? All right, so I think in the center here, I'm going to do navy blue. Put that right in here. And I'm just sprinkling the dye in there. Remember, ice dye, I'm going to be using ice on top of it to melt and get the colors into the fabric. So there's my navy blue, my turquoise. Is this right? Yep, turquoise. My turquoise I'm going to use on either side of the navy blue. Ice on it. I really like putting rings around them because I think it helps with the ice. Where's my other? There they are. I think it helps with the ice. It helps control the ice. So I can just really just put it right there. All right, ice it is. now I'm making extra ice in the house, so I have extra ice for not only me, but also ice. You don't want to add too much, but you don't want to add just enough. All right. Okay, there we go. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Okay, the ice is just about melted, and so I put it in a little aluminum foil boat, and I mixed up 8 ounces of black dye, and I poured it into the side, and it's set. Now we just let it sit until tomorrow afternoon. Okay, here's the interesting. This is the double spiral. Double spiral. Let's see here. Ooh, that's going to be some pretty colors there. Can't really see anything yet. I need to wash it out, I think. But I like the colors that I'm seeing. Let me wash it out and let's see what happens. Here is my double spiral. It's the first time I've done a double spiral on a shirt. Overall, I really like it. Colors are pretty. This is where I use the color combination of green and yellow. I think it was green and yellow that I used. But I like that. I mean, I like it overall. You can tell, so you can see the spirals going in the same direction. What you think? Give me some input. Let me know. Any way to improve it? Let me know. I'm still learning this. As I said, this is my first double spiral shirt, so overall I'm really happy that the spirals are very clear on both front and back. Let me know what you think.